So if you're wondering how you can safely pick these cactus things, all you need is a lighter and you just burn these little spiky twigs off. Alright, so just go over them real quick. It's hard to do this while holding a camera and trying to see. I don't think I'm even recording for you guys, but basically you just toast all the little spikes off. Okay, so I don't know if you saw. Oops. I don't know if this thing's still on. What did I do? But anyways, now that we roasted all of those, you can see I can grab it, poke it. No problem. There were like a million spikes all over that thing. No problem now. Alright, see? No problem. And that's how you do that. And then you can go ahead and safely just grab these off and you can refrigerate it. You can handle it. No problem. Just grab the whole thing. You can see. Alright. And enjoy. If you've never had these before, you just peel the outside layer off, or you can just cut it in half and scoop the stuff inside. It has a lot of like big seeds. You can swallow the seeds, but you can't really bite through them. They're pretty hard. I wouldn't bite through them on purpose. You'll probably damage your teeth. But yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. I don't know what these are called. Like, I think in Spanish or something they call them like tuna or something, but I don't know if they're called something else, cactus fruit or something. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye. Alright, so here we have one of the cactus fruits. You can kind of open this up many different ways. Some people cut off both ends and then put a slit in there and then roll the thing off. But I just do it like this. Alright, so basically, oops, I just get the thing. I put the part that was sticking up before in the air down. So that way, once we cut it open, it just stays somewhat attached like that. Again, the other way might be easier if you just want like a giant ball to eat. But then I kind of just take a spoon and I just scoop out like that. And you can kind of just scoop it basically like a kiwi. It has like these more solid seeds in it. I don't bite down on the seeds. I just chew it up like lightly. And then the seeds, I just swallow them. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead. Slightly sweet. Texture is very soft and mushy. Kind of hard to describe the flavor because I don't know any other stuff that tastes like this. Texture you can kind of describe like a mix between guava with the seeds, and then the flesh, the part that you eat, is similar to persimmon, like the ones that you let get really ripe and soft and mushy. Kind of a cross between there, but yeah, pretty good. So it's a lightly sweet, how would I describe? Flavor is really hard to describe. Because, yeah, there's not really anything else I can think of that tastes like this. Yeah, it's lightly sweet. I like it. Tastes pretty good. Again, as you saw, you want to be careful. These things have lots of little spikes on it. If you buy it from the store, I think they take the spikes out. I don't know what they do to do that. But if you saw earlier, I just used fire to burn them off. Alright? But you want to be careful because if you missed any, you're going to get like little splinters in your hand, pretty much. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. I got a whole bunch more of these. Alright? Bye.